Hello, assalamu alaikum, and thank you guys so much for the responses that I've been receiving on the video that I had shared. And without further ado, I'm going to show you how that video was made, step by step, very simple, very easy, along with the prompts as well. So let's straight away get onto it. All right, so first thing that we need to understand that this ये video बनाने के लिए I've used 4 tools. You can call them tools or AI generator, whatever. First one is Gemini. Brainstorming, ideation, इन चीज़ों के लिए, creative output के लिए Gemini is really good. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting for you. So जो भी हम prompt generate करते हैं वो ChatGPT के through generate करेंगे. उसके बाद the main tool that we are going to use is Higgsfield. यहाँ से आपने images generate करनी है और video यहाँ से generate होगा. Once all of your videos and everything are generated, we'll go into CapCut or any other software that you guys are comfortable using. Use that to edit the video, put in the soundtrack, put in the sound effects, and move forward with it. All right, so let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is research and the prompt. So this is a very generic prompt that gives you the output that you need. हम एक generic prompt है. I'm going to give it to you guys as well. And based on this prompt, whichever celebrity person you want to use it with, आप उसको modify करोगे. कैसे करेंगे? I'm going to show you. But first thing first, what we need to do is the research on how I did the research for that video. So first I went to Gemini and I asked Gemini that for Imran Khan, give me his top achievements. So Gemini does the research and gives you the topic that you are going to use. Now, अब यहाँ पे मुझे जो topics चाहिए थे सारे मिल गए. What I did was now I'll go into ChatGPT और वहाँ पे जो prompt मैंने आपको दिखाया था ये वाला हमने ये copy करना है. यहाँ पे हमने लिखना है change the prompt to 1992 World Cup with Imran Khan और हमने वो copy paste कर देना है यहाँ पे prompt. जैसे ही आप वो करोगे आपको पहला output मिल जाएगा prompt का. Now, this is your prompt that you're going to use on Higgsfield to generate the image. Now, इसी तरीके से what I did was then kept on giving the prompt after prompt कि okay, the first prompt is fine. Second के अंदर आपने जो है इमरान खान के साथ मुझे ये चीज करके देनी है. So second point आपका क्या था? Founding शौकत खाना मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटल, कैंसर हॉस्पिटल 1994. So ये मैंने यहाँ से कॉपी किया और मैंने prompt के अंदर यहाँ पे इसको डाल दिया. जैसे वो मैंने किया मुझे second image का prompt मिल गया मेरा रेडी होके. Same way, I went on the next one. इस तरीके से करके मैंने 10 prompts, 10 images ready कर ली. Once these images the prompts were ready, the next thing that we need to do is go on to Higgsfield. अब आप Higgsfield पे आओगे, first thing you will do is create an account. I'll not go into those details. It's very self-explanatory. आप higgsfields.ai पे जाए, अपना account create करें और create करने के बाद आप को ये इंटरफेस दिखेगा. आपको दिखेगा इस तरीके से कुछ. Once you are here, what you need to do is go into images or we are going to use Nano Banana Pro. Now, Nano Banana Pro, because it generates images, human images very accurately and it's going to depict it. So once आप Nano Banana Pro पे create करोगे, so आपको ये feel मिल जाएगी. Alright? Now, what you will do is you'll take the first prompt. आपने यहाँ से इसको copy करना है. Nano Banana Pro के ऊपर आना है. You have to come to Nano Banana Pro. यहाँ पे आपने इसको पेस्ट करना है. And the reference image over here जो आप ये देख रहे हैं वो is going to be your image और किसी और के लिए अगर आपने generate करनी है तो that image. Be very careful with that. You should not use someone else's images without the consent. So put this image over here and couple of things that you have to make sure. Size is 9 by 16 because you're creating for Instagram or TikTok or any other platform. So ये vertical आपने करना है. 2K same settings आपने रखनी है and you have to generate. Once you generate the image, process होके आपको image generate हो जाएगी like this one. So this was my first image. इसी तरीके से I kept on generating second image, ये prompt, third image, this is the prompt. And I created all the 10 images like this. So now let's go to see कि वो images कैसी थी. So now you can see I've got all these images generated with me, myself and Imran. Now comes the part where you are going to create a video. Now this is where the whole system works. keep one thing in mind. The first image that you created for the scene and the दूसरे scene का जो first image है, that's going to be your last frame of your scene 1. So पहली image is your frame 1. दूसरी जो आपकी image है, that's going to be the last frame for your scene 1. इसी तरीके से ये जो last scene था, ये first frame बन जाएगा second scene का, और जो third image है वो आपकी last frame बन जाएगा for your second scene. Now let's get into how the video is generated. Okay, so now again, आपने Higgs field पे आप आए, you will go into video and you will create video. Alright, once you click create video, you will see an interface like this. यहाँ पे आपने, let me move this a little bit, यहाँ पे आपने general select करना है, Kling O1 or 01, whatever you call it. Kling O1 आप करेंगे और यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन आता है इस तरीके से, select frame 1, select frame 2. So this is going to be a frame 1 and this is going to be a frame 2. जो मैंने आपको बताया था frame 1, frame 2. Alright, scene 1, scene 2 की मैंने images लगा दी. And यहाँ पे आपने ये prompt लिखना है. He runs to the next scene to take a selfie. Alright. ये prompt आपने डालना है Kling 01, 5 second. Aspect ratio 1:1 पे होगा by default. आपने इसको 9:16 करना है. Resolution 1080p and hit generate. Once you click generate, you have to wait for a little while it generates. इसी तरीके से आपने सारे scenes create करने. So ये मेरा पहला scene था. So starting frame ये था और last वाला frame was with IK on शौकत खान. इसी तरीके से आपने ये सारी clips generate कर लेनी है. Once these clips are generated, now comes the editing part. So let's move into that. Alright, so let's get into the interesting part, the edit. So what I use is, I'm using CapCut. So CapCut is free to use. So आप install कर लीजिए उसे. And then let's get to it. Alright, so once you have created all your videos, so Higgs field में आप यहाँ पे आके सारी videos select करके download it. And once ये सारी चीजें download हो जाएगी, then what you're going to do is you're going to import all of your footages into CapCut. Alright, once you have imported everything, all you need to do is in sari footages को import it over here. And once you do it, just align them based on scene by scene. Alright, so आपने इसको format में डाल देना है. Once you have done all of this, then it's simple. आपने जो audio है वो डालना है इसके नीचे, audio track, whichever you've selected, and then put your sound effects and then export कर देना है आपको इसको normal आपकी जो setting है 1920 1080 पे, and you just have to export it. So this is how it is done, and hopefully this is going to help you guys. If you liked it, share it, and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.